today we'll talk about how can you enable sticky on top on your Webull app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on menu down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Click here on settings, just click on it. So then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this here. Click here on message settings, just click on it. Then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on press alerts, just click on it. You come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Come here to sticky on top, click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.